Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly relevant for many of us, cutting down those monthly expenses. Did you know that the average American household spends over $60,000 a year? Reducing these expenses can lead to significant savings. Let's explore 5 clever hacks to help you cut your monthly expenses in half. Hack number 1. Refinance your debts. First up is refinancing your debts. Refinancing involves replacing an existing loan with a new one that has a lower interest rate. This can be done with mortgages, student loans, or credit cards. For instance, if you have a mortgage with a 5% interest rate, refinancing to a 3% rate could save you hundreds of dollars each month. Here's how to evaluate your options. Research lenders. Compare different lenders and their interest rates. Check your credit score. A higher score can get you better rates. Calculate the savings. Use online calculators to see if the savings outweigh the refinancing costs. This small step can make a huge difference in your monthly budget. Hack number 2. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Next, let's talk about subscriptions. Many of us have multiple subscriptions, streaming services, magazines, apps that we don't even use. Start by auditing your subscriptions. Review your bank statements, identify recurring charges, assess usage, cancel any service you haven't used in the last month. Look for alternatives. Some services offer annual plans that are cheaper. Consider this. Canceling just a few $10 subscriptions can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Hack number 3. Energy efficiency at home. Another effective hack is improving energy efficiency at home. Utility bills can be a significant part of your monthly expenses, but making your home more energy efficient can help. Switch to LED bulbs. They use up to 75% less energy. Install smart thermostats. They optimize heating and cooling, saving energy. Invest in energy-efficient appliances. They might be costly up front, but save a lot in the long run. By adopting these changes, you can see a noticeable reduction in your utility bills. Hack number 4. Plan your meals. Meal planning is another great way to save money. Dining out frequently can add up quickly, whereas cooking at home is much more cost-effective. Plan your meals. Decide on weekly meals and make a grocery list. Buy in bulk. Purchasing ingredients in larger quantities often saves money. Use meal planning apps. These can help you organize recipes and shopping lists. Comparing the cost, you'll find that meal planning can cut your food expenses significantly. Hack number 5. Shop second-hand. Lastly, consider shopping second-hand. You can find great deals on clothing, furniture, and electronics. Thrift stores and online marketplaces, places like eBay, Craigslist, and local thrift stores. Quality checks, ensure items are in good condition, and compare prices. Personal stories. Many people have saved significantly by buying second-hand. Not only is this good for your wallet, but it's also environmentally friendly. Let's recap the hacks we discussed today. Refinancing your debts, cancelling unnecessary subscriptions, improving home energy efficiency, planning your meals, and shopping second-hand. These tips can help you cut your monthly expenses significantly. I encourage you to try out these tips and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more money-saving advice. Thanks for watching.